plate dinner with me as a 29-year-old stay-at-home mom of 2. We have gymnastics tonight, so I whipped up something easy. I had frozen chicken, and I had leftover frozen rice. So I made some chicken fried rice. Some for my daughter, and a little bit for my son. I am a little worried they're not gonna wanna eat this. My daughter might, but my son, you know, he's so picky, so I am gonna throw on some pepperoni. Just to kind of entice them to even look at the plate. Some cheese. And this is dinner for my 5-year-old daughter and my 2-year-old son. I will show you how much they ate in just a second, but while you wait, enjoy a clip of me making dinner. And this is how much they ate. Neither one of them wanted the rice. And my son ate pepperoni. I'm just gonna pack him a little cheese and pepperoni snack. And yeah, that's what we're working with. So I'll see you tomorrow morning.